In a place known as Mosobeti, West Mugirango, Nyamira County, this player, Wayne Rooney, has been found playing against a small team. Which team was that? Is it West Ham or Brighton? Let's see. It is a norm that old men are feeding on young children, and now it has been proved in Nyamira County. This 74-year-old man, who is said to be a deacon in a certain church which is unnamed, has been found earlier today with a 14-year-old girl. The two lovers are now under the custody of police while investigations are going on to tell what was going on between the two so-called lovers.